Ever since companies have introduced wireless Bluetooth headphones, music lovers have actively been switching their preferences to it. It's known to all that Panasonic is the brand that represents utmost precision, high quality, durability, and fantastic customer service. Panasonic mostly manufactures electronic products such as televisions, speakers, fridges, and other home appliances. But the company has introduced some excellent headphones for the people who want quality, precision, durability, and excellent value for money. The Panasonic Premium High-Res Wireless Bluetooth Over-Ear Headphone is our selection for the day.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Panasonic Premium RP-HD305B is a stylish headphone with an oval-shaped ear cushion for premium comfort for its users. It's designed with weightless but high-quality materials to enhance the comfort for the users. The headphone is lightweight, only 7.7 ounces, and the 3D ear cushions are ultra soft. It comes with a high-end ergonomic fit that would perfectly match with any type of head shape. Touch controlling of this headphone is in the left ear pad. It lets you control volume, manage voice calls, and control the music. The built-in microphone produces high-quality voice calls which you would enjoy while on a voice call using the headphone. Panasonic Premium offers premium quality sound with smooth mid, crystal clear high, and fantastic bass. You literally will feel every bit of the music, which is why Panasonic claims the music to be high definition while on the Bluetooth connection. The 40mm neodymium driver generates high-resolution sound when you plug the wired connection, which means the sound gets better with the wire. It comes with 3 sound enhancement modes to choose from, which are bass enhancer, clear voice, and normal. Select a mode according to your preference to get the best experience. It comes with a battery life of 24 hours and a 15-minute charge will let you hear music for 2.5 hours. The Panasonic Premium RP-HD305B is an excellent headphone for gaming and watching videos. It's time for us to investigate the user reviews of this fantastic headphone and find out what people are saying about it. The Panasonic Premium has got 3.9 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 92 user ratings on Amazon. People love the headphone for its sound quality, bass quality, battery life, and noise cancellation function. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "I wanted something better than what I had, and Panasonic is one of the only brands to give you what you pay for compared to companies like Beats. I use it on my phone, my computer, and even my TV." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "This Panasonic headphone produces good quality sound. Each of the settings, bass boost, clear, and off, does what it says. At each setting, a voice announces that selected setting. Bluetooth is sure and steady with no breakups." Some people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 2 stars and wrote, "On first impressions, they are gorgeous looking. The color is very unique, and they deserve the star for that. It also uses micro USB, so that's very convenient. Now the bad. The cushions are very sweaty. After wearing them for 10 minutes, my ears were very sweaty." That's all we have on the Panasonic Premium High-Res Wireless Bluetooth headphone for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.